How to see who poked you on Facebook mobile app. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to see who poked you on Facebook mobile app. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Facebook app is up to date. So if not, please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and then make sure to click on that update button if it is available. And then, assuming that you have done updating your Facebook, you may now open it. Simply go to the lower right corner of the screen on iOS or on the upper right of the screen if you are using Android. And then scroll down to the bottom and make sure to click on Help and Support. So once you click on Help and Support, simply click on the very first option, which is the Help Center. Wait for it to load and then search for Pokes. And then wait for it to load once again and choose the option in which says, where can I see how many pokes I've sent on Facebook? So click on it and wait for it to load. And then make sure to click on this link right here, right after the words, if you're having trouble finding your pokes page, try searching for this link. So click on that link. And then right here, you may be able to see the list of those you poke. Or also you may see who poked you right here. So right now I don't have a poke. So you may see the name of your friend right here and then a poke button or icon on the rightmost part. So that's it. That's how you can see who poked you on Facebook mobile app.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.